the objective. Mosquito deployed. Tu veux mon zizi? Ah oui, oui, oui.
I need to learn some new languages. I want to know.
Ah, non, mais on se lève le matin, nous, voilà.
Il y a qu'une
On bosse pas
serpillière.
15 heures, attends, tu rigoles, quoi.
Il a dit, bah vas-y, laisse tomber, je viendrai plus tard. Avec mon slip.
Ah, mais nul putain. Oh, ça me saoule.
Non, on a été faire la déchetterie et tout ce matin. Tout finir, et il va attaquer le ménage d'abord.
C'est qui a la bombe là?
À la tête, les gars.
C'est moi.
Bah, chez nous. Bah non, du coup, fallait qu'on finisse la déchette et tout.
Ah, derrière moi.
Donc, du coup, il attaque devant.
La désamorce. Ah, c'est moi.
Oh god
Ah, bah,
damn!
bien joué.
Ouais, non, c'est pas moi.
Voilà.
Wait, did you die from the mosquito too?
Good game.
I was right beside you.
Oh fuck.
Non, quoi, elle est en train... Elle rigole et en même temps je suis sodomisé. T'as vu comment ça fait?
C'est clair.
Ah oui, oui.
Ah oui, oui, oui. Ça m'étonne. Ah ouais, oui, oui. Ah oui, oui, oui. Ah, tiens, que...
Oui, 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 oui.
Ah oui, oui, hein.
Ah, oui,
bébé.
oui.
Oui.
Go to work, except my kid's sick today. And everybody's fucking French. I don't want to play with this Botman motherfucker though. He whooped my ass 2 games ago.
I've been playing with him nonstop.
And get their cold press juice.
God
And then
damn,
there's
we're
a
playing
bunch
with him
of-
again.
Fucking, I don't know. He better be on our team. That's all I gotta say.
Oh, you suck on another bit?
Oh, are you
What?
French too?
Can you guys suck on your own dick?
Oh, he's Chinese.
I know Chinese. Nah, I'm not Chinese. It's as white as it gets.
Fuck! He's been fucking cheating all day.
Hey, you been cheating all day? Boom,
He gotta be.
Oh,
He whooped my ass in one of my lobbies. But I mean, I'm not good right now anyways.
yeah, that's what she said.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Secure our objectives. Do not let the guard down. Enemy planted at Alpha.
Wow, it's done.
You can transfer.
It's cheating, bruh.
You can transfer all your PlayStation 4 games and stuff that are, you know, playable on PS5 and put them on your PlayStation 5. But
Okay,
Actually didn't know that.
My bad, teammate.
yeah, my boyfriend was like,
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Use the charges. Blast the target. Mistakes. You got the bomb.
There's a guy in the middle there. Hey. The Grinch. Do something. The Grinch.
One left.
2v1.
1-1-1. Grinch. He's on bomb.
Final minute.
Nice.
Good focus. Good focus. No, that's silver.
Yeah, he's in A. He's in A building. Nice.
They're camouflage.
What the fuck is it? How goddamn
specifically for the job I'm going to be working for,
Oh my god.
Like I'll be training for no, like I'll be training for free. I'll have to find. I'm gonna work at like fucking McDonald's or something, flip burgers.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Place the charges on the target and destroy it.
I'm gonna find that dude.
We're planting at Bravo.
They're in the middle.
Countdown started.
Fuck!
It's down to you.
Fuck that.
Our device was disarmed.
What the fuck?
Prepare for the next one.
That's my problem. Let me and die.
So what you gonna do?
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Set up a perimeter around the objectives. Do not let them reach it. Format Alpha.
Behind bus. But my best bet is I would do it at nighttime. Take school at night.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Secure our objectives. Let your guard down. Enemy planted at Bravo.
Oh, there's a guy.
Enemy UAV active.
I wanted to go
I
in
just wasted
underwater
I
welding.
just wasted my UAV, bruh. Fuck. Look, man, some bullshit. I wasted my UAV, man.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Use the charges. Blast the target. No mistakes.
Why?
Any recommendations? That's good.
One minute remaining. We're planting Get containment.
No way. Ah, shit. That's some fucking bullshit.
What happened?
I blew myself
One
up.
boy, slow.
I blew my
Thank you.
gonna fail.
You need a
said
life
what?
alert.
Search and destroy.
Fucking bullshit. I would pull some shit off like that.
Damn, bro.
Switching sides. Hardcore. Search and destroy. Set up a perimeter around it. Do not let them reach it.
Get fucked.
Where the hell did I?
Wow. When the
Friendly UAV online.
That's solid.
Get ready for the next.
Solid coming. Help it. No way, I'm not grabbing the bomb. I'm a shooter. I like to kill people.
I would have grabbed it.
Yeah.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Secure our objectives. Do not let your guard down. Enemy planted at Alpha.
Yes. Yo, it's just a little bit more, and
Bomb destroyed.
ah, that's right. That's right.
I was like, wait a second, someone's on my ball.
Hey, it's him to it.
I was like, no.
I heard your fat ass fingers.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Use the charges. Blast the target. No mistakes. You secured the device.
Oh, there's one.
Going A.
Final minute.
Oh, he's on me. Just blend that shit. Just blend that shit.
Seconds left. Remaining. Setting device on Bravo. Strike in place. Countdown started.
How come you're gonna see the bomb?
Damn.
What a comeback, bro.
GG's.
Cheat,
Good game, guys.
cheat, yo.
And good luck on your career plan, so.
Noise, noise.
Did we get our asses whooped by 3 people?
Not by me.
Damn! Oh, look. It's, you guys again.
Watch us be on the opposite teams.
Yeah, most likely.
And so, that's the case. I
Well-
don't like you.
We're in a party, so me and him are not going to be on opposite team. Me and
Oh.
Silver.
Woo, woo.
But you may be lucky enough to join our team, even though we're not doing too good.
Yeah, I know. I've seen your performance.
Shit, it's shit. It's shit.
Fuck it, man. At least she does call-outs. You know what I mean?
I would go to my stats and tell you what they are, but I promise, like, not. His spawn. What the fuck? Quit laying down. I'm tired of this motherfucker. There's one over there.
Yeah, he just went up top.
Come on, this time
Good
I'm with
Betty.
you guys, so.
Damn.
Holy
I got him.
fucking. Wow.
They on B.
Yeah.
Woo,
You guys
woo.
whooped our ass.
Jesus fucking hell.
Traders.
Scrinch. Fuck, I love Scrinch. What the fuck? Yo, that's bullshit. What
Sorry,
the
you're gonna be on the worst team.
No, you guys in bed at all. You guys just tripping.
Oh, I'm terrible. Fucking why under the helicopter pad?
Oh shit. What is she?
Ball still 2 below B.
2v4.
Wait.
One
What the? Alright, I got something. I got something.
Damn.
They're in a good route. Alright, now we can take a good route.
Alright.
Detonate the target. You've secured the device.
Armor shoot right there. On my beam. What the
Going
fuck?
under heli.
Nice. Fuck yeah. 2-on-2.
I'm a fucking god. Thank you. 1v1.
Ooh. Ooh.
Alright, enough of this
damn.
funny business.
Funny
Floating pieces of
business.
paper.
I mean, it ain't
No, I'm
that
talking
easy.
about the clown guy.
Oh.
Oh man, they
Yeah,
don't
the
like
clown-
me. Shit.
Silver Wing, they're talking about you or something.
I know, man. What the fuck?
What the fuck is the fuck?
Get upset at the clown. I'm about to squad wipe.
Oh god damn, he blew me up. hell?
Sitting in your spawn, bro.
208 bomb building.
Oh my god, bro, I suck.
Alright, no more funny business.
Yo.
Damn, that's the same gun, bro. What the fuck?
Taking the Grinch out.
Don't hide behind an
I
explosive barrel,
pissed
eh?
That was
Fucking
fucked up.
love Christmas. I love Christmas. Fuck you, Grinch.
Set up security.
Oh shit. There's a guy on top of the roof.
Yeah, out
In
on
their
your
spawn.
spawn. Two, one under B, one's in a spawn B side.
Just lay down and hide.
Sorry for everybody who's having to get fucking put in this game because people keep leaving. Damn.
Damn.
Oh, there it went.
Yes, that fucking barrel pissed me off
What
when you
the
killed me,
fuck
when
is-
it killed me.
Where the fuck
Oh,
he at?
sorry.
Yo, bro.
How did you get the time to go up there? What the fuck? That never happens. I didn't even get up there. Nobody saw that shit.
That's my first time seeing that area.
Dude, it takes a hot minute to fucking get up there.
He's under our fucking spawn. About to come up to our spawn.
Vincent, you're a fucking slut. One's in their spawn B side.
There's
4v3.
Yeah, he's definitely in our spawn.
Let's go.
Oh, there's two of them. Fuck.
What,
the
in the
fuck?
fucking shit, bro?
Ain't no way, bro.
I'm fixing to fucking turn the other PlayStation on. Never thought I'd want to go from a PS5 to a PS4.
They're planning right now. Mosquito drone. Mosquito drone. Ah!
Oh, oh, was that kill? Oh my god.
Vincent, your mom's a whore.
Thank you.
I got pictures of her from last night, so you're right.
That fucking bitch. Yeah, put a fucking UAV up. Fuck you, Grinch. Under his spawn. He's gonna be under B. One of them is at least. Two v 3.
Oh my gosh. What'd you do? Stay up all night?
Who?
You? You're yawning.
Fuck no, I'm just tired. No, my daughter's sick. She was, I mean, basically. She was up like 5 times last night talking about my tummy hurts, and then finally starts throwing up this morning, and I'm like, okay, cool. I was gonna take her to school and go to work, and then she started throwing up in the car, and I was like, oh, I guess we're going home.
Yeah.
Woo, 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 woo. Good
I
job,
suppose
guys.
if you don't need money, you know. GG's.
Right. No, fuck you.
Damn.
I fucking love Christmas. Fuck you, Grinch.
It's
I'm
not even
Jewish.
Thanksgiving.
She said I'm Jewish.
Love
I'm
you
just
too,
kidding.
baby.
I'm Catholic.
went AWOL. Resurgence.
I'm going to the boundary.
Orders are to hack contracts and secure cash payments.
You guys die already?
And he got a caught out.
Hết chị Phương.
This motherfucker, man. Fucking car.
If there was 2 and 2 on each side.
You're redeploying. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Boundary.
In the corner.
Hostiles have established a SAM turret.
Man, y'all niggas garbage, bro. What the fuck, man?
Went up here.
We're clear. All available contracts are hacked. In your AO, handle them.
Hey, one to drop where I died at. Another one.
All I have was a shotgun. Yep.
That's what I like. Your squad made it to the safe zone.
He just jumped out the window.
We got all day.
Got enemy spy drones tracking us. Let's blind them. TACOM, I need eyes overhead.
Baby, I mean, here, come over here on me, let's throw a load out.
Alright, all done for. Contract complete. Good work. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Loadout drop inbound. Requesting reset above. Got an extra valuable opportunity here. Don't miss your shot. Getting your UAV on grid.
Escobolancio.